Welcome back, problem solvers. Today we have an interesting problem to tackle regarding the usage of alias for std, chrono in C++. It seems like our fellow coder is facing some compilation errors while trying to create aliases for std, chrono in std, chrono, duration underscore casted, chrono, seconds. The code snippet provided includes the necessary chrono header file, but still, the compiler is not happy about it. Surprisingly, creating an alias for std, chrono, time underscore points, chrono, system underscore clock is working just fine. It's a classic case of aliasing gone wrong. Now, let's dive into the solution. The first issue arises when trying to create an alias for a namespace, in this case, std, chrono. Namespaces cannot be aliased in a class scope, and the correct syntax for a namespace alias is namespace co equals std, chrono. Keep in mind that a little tweak in syntax can make a big difference when dealing with namespaces. Let's make sure we get that right to avoid any more compilation errors. Moving on to the next hiccup in the code, we encounter an attempt to alias std, chrono, duration underscore casted, chrono, seconds. However, std, chrono, duration underscore cast is a function template, and you cannot create an alias for a function or a function template directly. The workaround here is to bring the function into the current namespace by using std, chrono, duration underscore cast. Sometimes a small adjustment like this can save the day and get our code compiling smoothly. In summary, we've learned that creating aliases in C++ comes with its own set of rules and restrictions. While we can alias certain types in namespaces, functions and function templates require a different approach. By understanding these nuances and applying the correct syntax, we can avoid those pesky compilation errors and keep our code running smoothly. Keep coding, keep learning, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment with your favorite coding joke.